Warning, do not quit your job until you watch the end of this video. Hello, Just Start gang. It's Shanique here from Start with Neeks, the home of the Just Start University. One-on-one mentorship program for you, new and inspiring Christian online entrepreneurs. So if you want to learn how to build a profitable online business, be sure to subscribe to my channel and you can follow me on Instagram. This video is to help you, okay? Not to put you down, not to discourage you, but to help you. I wish that I did enough research before I quit my job and started this entrepreneur life. It was a struggle, and I'm gonna let you know a few things that I wish I knew before I quit my job. I mean, it's worth it. I'm a full-time entrepreneur, making 4 figures a month and just growing, meeting new people, networking with amazing other online entrepreneurs in different industries. So it's an amazing experience and a lifestyle, to be honest with you. It's just a journey, and I'm gonna share with you some things that you need to know before you leave the corporate, you leave the 9 to 5, because you're gonna wanna hear what I have to say. The first thing you're gonna wanna know before you quit and before I quit is that we have a tendency of overestimating the first year. We think that in the first year we're gonna make 10K in 1 month and I'm gonna sell 1,000 units in 3 days. Not realistic, okay? So what you wanna do is have realistic first year goals. And once you grasp your realistic goals and understand what it takes to really maximize your first year, your second year, your third year, your fourth year, fifth year, and probably your 10th year, then consider quitting your job. I just want you to understand that this journey is not a quick, rich journey. You learn a lot, you fail a few times, sometimes there's setbacks. But if you quit your job thinking that within the next 30 days, within the next 6 months, within the next 12 months, thinking that I'm gonna be the next award-winning entrepreneur, it's gonna be a sad mistake when you realize that you only make $1,000 in the first 7 months. Yeah, that's me. However, by all means, think big, crush your goals, and you can definitely achieve amazing things. I just want you to be realistic when it comes to, it just may not be there in the first year, but persist and sis, you will get there 100% if you keep going. It may not be the first year, the second year, the third year, it possibly could be the 10th year. But before you quit your job, just know it takes some time. The second thing that I want to encourage you to do before you quit your job, and I wish I did myself, was before you quit your job, because obviously income will steep down because you don't have a job, to invest in a coach beforehand. So pay for a coach that will teach you how to start a business. Whatever your industry is, whether you want a mentor who, like myself, knows how to start up a business, or you have a coach who will just help you, coach you through and give you an accountability, you're gonna want someone to show you the way that you are not making as many mistakes as you would if you're doing this by yourself. So before you quit your job, make sure you pay for a coach or a mentor so that he can set you up for the first 6 months at least, and that you're not running around like a chicken with its head cut off. Because it's only going to make your life so much more frustrating if you do not have a clear direction. You have a plan, you have a goal, you have a vision, but it's a coach that has been there before, that has the results that you do, that will get you there so much more faster. And I wish I knew that, because for me, I quit my job and had to scoundrel up money. I even used my student loans to pay for a coach. I don't regret it, thank you, because I would not be here today without my coaches and my mentors, 100%. So before you quit your job, make sure you're investing in a coach that's gonna help you for the first 6 months in your business. And if it's not your first 6 months, and he or she will help you grow your business, scale up your business. You just don't want to quit your job and you're really cutting down your money and not really know where to get more money. So get yourself a coach. Subscribe to my channel and go ahead and follow me on Instagram, because I'll be your coach. I promise you, I got you. I'll guide you for all you new and aspiring Christian entrepreneurs. You don't have to do this alone. I've been there. I've overcome some hurdles, and I'm here to help you avoid those mistakes. And just make your first 1,000. Consistently hit 4-figure months. Create systems. Don't be frustrated and stressed out. Before you quit your job, I want you to understand that you may have quit your 9-to-5 or corporate job or whatever stressful job you have, but just know you're gonna have to work like harder than you did before. This time around, it's working for yourself. Well, kudos to you. But if you left your job because you don't like waking up early in the morning or you don't like taking orders for somebody else, you are going to be the one that has to take the orders from yourself. So you need to be hard on yourself. You have to wake up early in the morning. The habits that you thought that you didn't need in your job, you're going to have to amplify it as your own boss. I'm really here to also encourage you that it feels amazing to be disciplined for yourself and to grow as a person. So also don't come into this thinking that you're going to be the same person that you started with. Your aim is to continuously grow within yourself, and you're going to see that flourish in your business. I'm not the same person I was 8 months ago when I started. Glory to God, not because of myself, but the desire that was placed in me and that's in you. You will grow in value once you develop yourself. Just know, this is not even employer mindset, employer working habit. This is boss movements. Just start, gang. You are the CEO of your entire corporation. Even if you're not incorporated yet, have that mindset. And just know you have to go all in, 110%. No excuses, because you just literally cut off your form of income. So what you have to do is make sure that business replaces that income. Speaking about income, the next thing you're going to need to know is that you need income. So you may have quit your job
because, okay, I don't want to work for myself. I can't stand this. I'm going to be my own boss, my own entrepreneur.
It takes money to build your business. Money should not be an excuse. It is your tool. Hence why you should be investing in your business. But in order to invest in your business, you want to make sure that you have some kind of income. So what I did is I started a cleaning business. And you can find out all about that here, cleaning toilets. Cleaning toilets is what I did. In order to have money to invest into my business, it worked out. I'm running a 4-figure consistently business a month. I'm developing an app currently. You need to know is if you have to pick up side jobs, overnight jobs, dead-end jobs, that's going to help you commit to your work. You're going to have to do it. And yeah, that's what I just said, jobs. So you may have quit your corporate, quit your 9-to-5. You need money. Please don't think that you should be funding your business off the emergency fund that is for emergencies, because you don't want to do that either. Don't do that. If you just want a less demanding job, so be it, so you can focus more on your business, no problem. I highly suggest that than anything else. Just know you need the money to invest in your business because you want to create the best value. You want to grow. You want to be incorporated. You want to help many, many people with your business, with your services. So you want to be able to invest it and grow it to the vision that you have. Don't be cheap on your vision, for sure. Don't do that. Don't make that mistake. What you also want to know is that not everyone's going to understand the dramatic change that you just did or you're going to do. It's not normal to stand up for yourself and go for what you want. So you're going to have pushback. And if you don't have pushback, you're going to see the body language when you say,
you know what, I'm going to be a multi-millionaire company. I'm going to help thousands of people across the world, hundreds of people, millions of people.
That is not normal to the normal average mind. So just be prepared for it. Don't have resentment. It's okay. Just understand not everyone sees your vision. Not everyone has a mindset as you. Find people that do and grow with them. That is all. That's my nugget. Do what you gotta do. However, I'm going to pray that you are a part of a local church with supportive people. Keep your friends close. Keep people who actually genuinely want to see you grow, that help you, that promote you. Do that. And if you don't see it now, check out that video because it's going to help you find the support you need in your business as you start out, as you grow up your business, okay? I want to hear from you, sis. Just Start Gang. What are you currently struggling with right now? As a startup, as you grow to consistent 4 figures and plus, what are you really looking to learn right now? What are you struggling with? Let me know. DM me at startwithneeks.com. Let's have a conversation. Be sure to subscribe to my channel because I drop nuggets, gold bombs on how to start an online business, make your first $1,000 using Instagram, and grow 4+ K figures. Every Friday, you'll see a new video. And in the meantime, be sure to watch these 2 videos because I got you too. All right, Just Start Gang. Keep up the good work and keep sharing the good news. I'll see you in my next video.